Hello, hello, my family, or friends, I don't know. Anyways, this is my first video right here. And, well, not exactly, it isn't, but I do play a lot of games. And, yeah, yeah. So, I'm going to show you the, the text sequence, which you can still do. And also, we can also make a video today. So, here, let's begin. So what you need to do is, you want rainbow shape like these, you have to name them Jebby Jeb. Just name them Jeb. Watch. Um, I'll go get my sheep. I have my sheep right here, yeah? Right here. And then have Jeb. And it changes color, but it does rainbow. Next one is dinner bones. Dinner bones is funny or grumpy, I can say, but I like doing dinner bones because I can understand it. I think you should do dinner bones because, yeah, I can understand. So, you have your pet. I'm just going to go to my pet. I named him Toast, so that's why. But that's not why I have Toast with me right now. It's just good to have it. So, anyways, hey Toast. You just name him Dinny Balls and he automatically gets over and you can ride him, which is really funny. Look at me. Look at me. I am riding a horse backwards. If you ever want to change this back, you can have your name, pick your name tag and how you really want it to be named exactly. And then it'll be coming back to normal. Now this is a fun glitch that I can say that I don't know if it works. So what you need to do is grab this rabbit. I'm gonna take it to the shop. Get him, name him Toast, and he automatically changes his skin. And look, he's now named Toast. He better not be going. If my bunnies I placed too earlier in the store, oh, it's fine. Okay. So yeah. No, I'm not gonna play it if I'm gonna break it. But he just out for me to play. But anyways, so yeah. So anyways, this is Pool Maker. I'm the creator, and I have a helper right here, and it's Liliana. So yeah. Yeah, welcome. Like, you get hotels every time. I know that noise is annoying, but luckily you don't hear it. This is my place. I'm the only one that usually joins that a lot, so I might as well do it. Like, I already updated my own place and all that. And since I'm the creator, I get the biggest wave with all the money, which I keep in the chest right there. I have my own dog, but my dog always is off. My dog's on vacation right now. I'm going on vacation. His name is Rainbow, so if you see my dog, he's on vacation, I'm pretty sure. He's on vacation. He'll be back soon. And these are my rides I can make, and you can update yourself for other players that were not invited and can just watch. Also do it like the customers. Each of it is different. What the heck? What is this? Something's wrong with this ride. It did not do this. I have to go. Something's wrong with this ride. It shouldn't be doing that. I'll go fix it. Like, you have to make your own watch, which makes it annoying. So, grab it. And then do it like that. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go. Why it's not doing that? We're like weird for a moment. This is my brother's team. And you see how when she joins, you'll see why he already has one hotel built so far, which is like this build. This is already has the hotel done built. And he has diamond, because she's my husband, so that my brother doesn't do much. he loves Minecraft like me. He has a problem right now, so he can't play me right now. But when he had that problem, he was able just to have one of his updates. And also over here, you can also see my sister. She already bought her own hotel, but she is my helper. So I also gave her a diamond ambition for helping my helper like that. And I have my own rides, each of all of them. So like, let me say this. You see, these rides each lead somewhere. Like, I'll show you where all the rides. This is, I don't have the names rides yet, but this one has completely broke. You have to walk now, but then the rest is just normal. Next ride is the diamond ride, which you would see right now. That's why you see it combined with that, because I couldn't hit it to the right point where I needed it to be. This has 2 sections, apparently. Should have made it there, but I didn't have enough time, so yeah, just walk it. And then the rest is done right here. And the ride falls down to where it belongs. Oh no, exactly. Then it goes back to where it was at. Next ride is the iron ride, which the iron ride is really fun. I can say that to you right now. It is really short though, so it's not really fun, but it's short. At least it's the first pool hotel. That's why I'm at the hotel. The last one is called a Biz Bio, owned by my brother, because he gave me the idea of getting more ores into this, instead of just putting those opponent ores. So, here's the... That's what I was missing. Was like, I was feeling something really important right there. Where I'm like, wait, am I forgetting something? Yes. And I just started up. So guys, I'll show you a little secret. Over here is where I have my testing station to see if it is, and that's how I tested to get that. But over here, like you can see, that's where I keep my horses. And also, when you come over here, that's where I race the horses and all that, which you actually get money at, which is super cool. I just trained my horse over there because I never actually had a race because I don't have anyone to play with. But we're gonna ride the Abyss Bayel, which I had to make sure it was moving, but I had to walk it like a normal ride would, and then there it goes. You have to move some of it, like you have to move, which is a problem of it. But I'll say that it's improving by the minute. So when I go right here, that.
Are you done? No? Are you done?
And then it just dropped down.
Really?
Which is really cool. The last, the 2 rides lead the same way. That's why they both lead the same. This is, like, it shows the mountain and then you leave, which is really a good view to see the mountain. Watch, see the mountain, and then you're like, okay, and then you'd also see the staff area over there, which is a problem with it. You see?
Please, sports. Nope,
Then we left. And then there was the backstage. I keep my money on that. My money is redstone is the rarest, sadly. I don't know why I just made redstone the rarest. I think diamonds is the rare. What I'm thinking is diamond is rare, but I just did redstone for some reason. Shh. He just said it was broken.
Yeah, it's not working. Alright, so what is the battery? We'll get another battery that's there.
Or maybe that posted tricked us with another bat. Maybe that posted tricked us. But anyways, YouTube. Yeah. So anyways, YouTube. So YouTube. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's my tune. No one else is joining, but I would appreciate it. And guys, here's something. I'll show you how to make this. You see, what you need to do is go down. You see connected. You see how you connect it. Well, you see why that's lighting up. There's a redstone torch that lights it up and it's blocking the other one. So when it touches it, that turns off, which makes that thing go off, which is a good reason. See? See, look, it turned on. Let me see, if I place the block, let me place my block here. Man, that was not a good job. There, like that. It was not. Oh, wait. Maybe I need something tough. Like, no. You know what? What we need for this job is a bow. Actual bow and arrow. I'm just gonna keep it away. And try to fit. Nope. No, you know what? I'm just gonna forget it and just go like this, and you see that will light up, and then that will light off. I'm gonna show you the. I'm gonna like break this and go like that. I'm doing this really fast because. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's off. You see, it turns itself off because it's blocked itself. Because when that torch is on, it must mean it has to turn on. But when it still on, it has to block itself because it just no. I don't think this trick works with glass. I want to see. See if I place. I want to see something. If I place this with glass, oh yeah, it blocks it. So yeah, guys, I guess this is the end. Bye.